Now children, today let's start with chapter number 9, time to celebrate. So you know that the occasion that we celebrate with our family, friends and neighbors is called festival. So festival brings joy and India is the land of festival. It's time to bear with joy and happiness. We wear new clothes, eat special days, exchange greeting and gifts with our family members, relatives and friends. So suppose your mother gives you some money on festival, what will you do? You have to mark yourself. In this you have to write a own rule. That's why I'm not doing over here. You will do it yourself. Now religious festival. India is the country of many religions, right? So we celebrate many religious festivals. People from different religion come together to celebrate their religious festival. Like Holi, it's a festival of color, right? And people following Hinduism celebrate this festival. Holi is the festival of color, celebrate mainly in the northern area. People celebrate this festival by sprinkling powders, colors called dulal on each other. It is usually celebrated during the month of March और ये क्या mark करता है at the end of winter season और beginning stage summer season. Right now Diwali. Diwali is also a festival of Hindus. Hindu का festival है. It is called festival of light. It marks the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. On this day, people clean and decorate their houses. They also wear what? New clothes and light their houses with diyas, candles, colorful lights. Evenings, people worship Lakshmi, Lord Ganesha. ठीक है और हम स्वीट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, गिफ्ट्स एक्सचेंज करते हैं विद आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. इट इज द मेन फेस्टिवल ऑफ सिख जो सिखिज्म को फॉलो करते हैं और ये किसका बर्थडे होता है? सिख गुरु, 10th गुरु, दैट इज गुरु. ऑन दिस डे ह्यूज प्रोसेशन आर टेकन आउट, राइट, एंड द होली बुक ऑफ सिख इज गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब. प्रेयर्स होते हैं, कीर्तन्स होते हैं गुरुद्वारा में. लंगर आर हेल्ड which is distributed among the poor. Eid al-Fitr is the main festival of Muslim, right? It marks the end of month of long fasting Ramzan. The day after end of Ramzan is celebrated as Eid al-Fitr. People go to mosque and Eidgah and offer namaz. After the namaz, people greet each other, Eid Mubarak. Sivai is the main sweet dish that is made on this festival. Now Christmas, it is celebrated by Christians on 25th December every year to celebrate birth of Jesus. Special prayers are held in the churches. Christmas trees are decorated and gifts and plums cakes are. On this day, children believe that Santa Claus will bring gift for them. If Santa Claus क्या लेके आएंगे? Gift लेके आएंगे. Then we have Harvest Festival, which is important activity in our country. It's a time when the crops are ready for. ठीक है, Harvest Festival कब बनाए जाते हैं? जब crops क्या होते हैं? Ready हो जाते हैं कट करने के लिए. We have Bihu. ये किसका है? असम का हो, right? There are 3 Bihu celebrated in a year. People celebrate this festival by singing, dancing, fasting and burning the bonfire. Young girls wear traditional dresses. Bihu dance perform करते गाना गाते हैं. Then we have बैसाखी. ये हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल है नॉर्थ इंडिया का. पंजाब के लोग उसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं बैसाखी कि men perform भांगड़ा और women perform what? गिद्दा. Women क्या perform करते हैं? गिद्दा. Next we have Onam, which is the harvest festival of Kerala, celebrated for 10 days. In honor of King Mahabali, people wear new clothes. What they eat? They eat special dish which is served on banana leaves. इसको हम ओनम साध्या कहते हैं. The festival is also famous for किसके लिए famous है? स्नेक बोट रेसेस के लिए और यहाँ पे एलिफेंट्स को ब्यूटीफुली डेकोरेट करा जाता है. Then we have पोंगल, हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ तमिलनाडु. फर्स्ट डे ऑफ तमिल मंथ. ये मार्क करता है एंड ऑफ राइस हार्वेस्टिंग और किस मंथ में? जनवरी मंथ की. 4 days के लिए सेलिब्रेट होता है पहले और यहाँ पे पोंगल राइस प्रिपेयर करा जाता है. पीपल what they make rangoli in their houses. Cows are bathed to decorate with garland. They are also fed nicely and then worship. On this festival, people worship sun god, rain god of good crop. And in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, the festival is known as Sankrant. The national festival. Basically, we have 3 national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day celebrated on 26 January 1950. Right, a great parade is held at the Rajpath, Kartavya Path Rajpath in India Gate in New Delhi. राइट, यहाँ पे आपके पुलिस फोर्सेज हैं और यहाँ पे डिफरेंट फॉक डांसेस भी परफॉर्म करे जाते हैं. इंडिपेंडेंस डे विच इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 15 अगस्त 1947. इस दिन हम क्या बोलते हैं? हम फ्री हो गए थे फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल. हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नेशनल फ्लैग होस्ट करता है ट्रेडफोर्ड. गांधी जयंती, इट्स अ बर्थडे ऑफ गांधी जी विच इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 2nd of October, राइट, एंड इट इज he led to the fight for independence from the British. So we call him father of nation. Every year a function is held at Rajghat. Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi is in Delhi. On this day, we remember to abide by the principle of truth and non-violence, which is taught by birthday. In India, the birthday of great people are also celebrated. Now, the birthday of anniversary of Gautam Buddha is celebrated as Gautam Buddha की anniversary क्या है? बुद्ध. बर्थ एनिवर्सरी लॉर्ड महावीर की महावीर जयंती. टीचर्स डे कब सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? 5th of September every year. It's a birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the second president of India. Then we have Children's Day, 14th November को सेलिब्रेट होता है, and it's the birthday of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, and he was fondly called Chacha Nehru. इनको हम क्या कहते थे? चाचा नेहरू. Right? This was all about in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.